Ladies and gentlemen, this is bout number 7. Introducing from the red corner, the pride of Tevez boxing team Albano Sipulan, Negros Oriental, Jay Bahayahay. And his opponent from the blue corner, the fighting pride of municipality of Alicia Bohol, Ivan Calero. And our third man in the ring, referee judge, Marlos Santoma. Okay, the battle between the municipality of Alicia Bohol and Sipulan Tevez boxing team. Puro din ang mga matan. Matan pa rin speed niya. Guys! Orang sweeter. Orang mga sweeter.
Iba po doy ay.
Nice. 44 to 46 kilograms na sila, ha? Pero high-tech na may kunal.
Nice one.
Unawa!
Time. End of the first round. Okay, so salamat sa atong sponsors, sa atong local government of San Jose, Negros Oriental, headed by our Mayor Mel Nick Logronio, o sa atong Vice Mayor, o sa mga konsihalis din. O gusto pa, atong pasalamatan ang atong sponsors, atong Sounds, Sir Jonathan Alere, in charge po kuno siya sa boxing sports diri sa San Jose. So, katong mga ganahan, doon lang ni Sir Jonathan Alere. Okay, seconds out.
Pressure, Mak.
Sura na mak eh.
Pressure. Pressure, Mak. Lalo, marami, Mak.
Round number 2.
Pressure.
Timer, okay. Atong may maayo ang headgear. Ano luwag. So, relax na pagkamay niya, ha? Panghiwid siya, kaya wala pa yung bagay. Panghiwid. Ingani nga mga dula, balik yung hiluma kayo ng mga audience. So, lantang ginig maayo. Okay, as the boxing continues.
Tira, Mac.
Ikot. Ikot.
Okay. Jab lang si Blue. Okay. Okay. Red corner. In and out. On the offense. Blue corner, counter lang.
Himak.
Great job by the red corner, Pahayahan.
Himak.
Both boxers are working with their jabs and hook.
Isa, oh. Isa, kiss.
Right. Nice shot. Time. End of the round.
Nagkahawak, nagkaroon. Pressure, Mac.
Round number 3. Blue corner, Galero of Alicia Bohol, and red corner, Pahayahan. In Teves Boxing Team of Sibula.
Jabi?
Umuntos, Mac.
Lubos, Mac.
Umuntos.
Okay, jab lang. Jab lang. Si Blue, okay, kahulan ng counter. Na-initiate sa offense, he is the red corner.
Gumbay, Maray. Pedro, ano naman ko eh.
Last round.
Last round, oy.
Okay. Last round, this is the final round. So show me what you got.
Wala naman na yung Mac.
Time. End of the round. All right, so while waiting for the judges' decision through their scorecards. So, again, atong balik-balikong pasalamat ang atong local government of San Jose sa pagpaykayo o pag-sponsor sa atong Yugitan Feast of Glory boxing event. Una ba ni? Since 2022. And pasalamatan pa nato si Sir Jonathan Alere sa atong sound system. And Sir Jonathan Alere, gihapon ang atong in charge sa boxing sports. Kinsa itong ganahan sa training of boxing, duula lang sa Sir Jonathan Alere. Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of action, we have a winner by split decision. From the blue corner, Ivan Galeno. Okay, bout number 8, Cabral and Cantaylo. Cabral in red corner, Cantaylo in the blue corner. Bout number 9, AJ Rosales and Russell Francisco of San Juanita.